guys even know that girl with the ponytail, that's probably my sister. I caught her for Kim, so we're gonna record it after. I'm gonna while I'm gonna put your head. What are you doing, kid? I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were putting. I'm sorry, kid. No, I'm not giving you Kim. I'm taking your first. Police officer! No. Other policeman, get her. Why police officer? Because you can't. Yay. Oh my goodness. Please don't call your sister. No! Ah, she's coming for me! Okay, so the war's officially over. I got her in her funeral. We can celebrate her now. Oh, and let's take out her ponytail.